In a small town called Whimsyville, there was a bakery owned by Mrs. Muffin. Mrs. Muffin was known for her magical muffins that could grant wishes, but only if you made a silly face while eating them. One day, a grumpy old man named Mr.Sourpuss stormed into the bakery, demanding a muffin that would make him rich without having to smile. Mrs. Muffin, always up for a challenge, handed him a muffin with a mischievous twinkle in her eye. Mr. Sourpuss gobbled down the muffin without making a silly face, convinced that it wouldn't work. But to his astonishment, the moment he finished, he sneezed so hard that gold coins flew out of his nose. Embarrassed but overjoyed, Mr. Sourpuss realized that sometimes a little silliness is the key to unexpected riches. From that day on, he became the jolliest man in Whimsyville, spreading laughter and joy wherever he went. And as for Mrs. Muffin's magical muffins, they continued to bring happiness to the town, one silly face at a time.